Hi everyone, my name is Arnaud. I'm a French digital marketer, passionate about online advertising and web measurement. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a social media dashboard in Google Analytics. As you may know, Google Analytics is an amazing tool, but sometimes it can be very hard to find the information needed. By creating your own dashboard, you will understand how to gather the data that you really care about. So, let's get started.
So here we go. So the first steps is to go through the website that you want to create the dashboard. So on the left hand side you can see the onglet dashboard, so click on it and add new dashboard. So since we want to monitor the social media activity, we're going to name it social media, right? Dashboard. Create dashboard. So here, this is a widget, and this is basically where we need to put our variable and to create table, timeline, pie, bar, whatever we want. But everything is going to happen here. So let's start. So first of all, I would like to mention that for this example, we're going to use only Twitter and Facebook as social media platform, but we can ask whatever social media platform we want. So just start with Twitter. So this is going to be the Twitter session because we want to know how many visitors are coming from Twitter. So let's choose metrics, and the metrics will be the session. Yeah, here we go. Since we want only Twitter, we need a filter. So we're gonna add the social media network. And since we want only Twitter, here we need to mention containing Twitter. And I'm gonna save. And here is the number of visits coming from Twitter. Let's refresh this page. Here we go. So now we're gonna do the same, but for Facebook. So once again, I add a widget. This is the Facebook session. Then metrics. The metrics is going to be again the session. And this time the filter will be not Twitter, but Facebook. So here I write Facebook. And I save. And what's going on? Here we go. So don't put space right after the filter, because otherwise you will not take it in consideration. So now we want to know the percentage of new visits coming only from the social media, so including Facebook, Twitter, and whatever other platform if you have. So again, I'm going to add widget, and here I'm going to put the percentage of new visits. This is going to be a metric again, and the metric is going to be the social, no, the percentage of new session. So it's new session. Here we go. And the filter this time, I only want the visit coming from the referral, social source referral. So pick this one, and this time I want exactly matching, and I want it. So I need to write yes, and I save. And so this number is the percentage of new visit coming only from your social media platform. So here you can see the average of the site. Then I need to add another widget, and I want this time know the number of visits. So visit here, metrics. This is gonna be the session, this. And the filter this time will be source social referral and exactly matching. Yes. And I save. And here is my number of visits coming from my social media, in our case, Twitter and Facebook. So now let's see where they're coming from. So in this widget, I want social by geography. So this time I'm going to use bar. And my first metric will be the session. And then we don't need, we need here add a dimension. The first dimension would be city. So you can choose by region, you can choose by country. Let's just pick city. Okay, where is it? City here. And I want this one. I don't want to see the value. Yeah, I want to see the value, but I don't want to see the title. Okay. Here we go. And then the filter, I want only, again, social source referral and exactly matching. Again, yes. Here we go. So you can see here where people are coming from, which is pretty cool. So also you can just move around with the different widgets and customize your dashboard as much as you want, just to make it clear for you. Then let's see the level of engagement. So again, I'm gonna add a widget. I'm gonna name it engagement. I want a matrix. This time I want to see page per session. Here we go. Okay. And the filter this time is gonna be again source and exactly matching. Yes. Okay. Save again. And here we go. So this is the engagement from social media, and this one is the engagement for other source of traffic. So now let's see the content accessed from social media. So which page or which pages are they reading, or at least are they seeing? So this one is going to be the content accessed from social media. Okay. So this time I want a table, and the first dimension will be the landing page, because I want to name, I want to see the URL, or so now the matrix will be session. There you go. And the filter, again, if you follow me, social network, and exactly matching. This time I'm gonna write not set like that, and I save, and here we go. Okay. Okay, and then let's say we want to add the number of visits by social media network. So I'm just gonna write visit by social media network. Okay, and I want this time bar, And so the metric will be again the session, and the dimension social network, and so I want this one, and I don't want to show the title. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a filter. So don't show dimension is gonna be social network. Yep, and exactly matching. I'm gonna write not set. Okay, and then save. Okay, here we go. So you have the number of session by social media network. So in my case, I have Google Plus. But anyway, so now let's see the number of visits by network and device. I'm gonna add a widget. Here's visit by network and device. So again, I want a bar, and I want to add a metric which will be session. The first dimension will be social network, and the second dimension will be mobile including tablet. Here we go. And again, I'm gonna add a filter. So don't show the social network, exactly matching, and that's it. Here we go. And oh, here I forgot. Tag. Here we go. Save. So now you can see the differences between the mobile, which include like phone and tablet, and the desktop. So here we go. Tac, tac. So again, you can arrange your template and your dashboard, however you want. So here are the main metrics that need to be taken into consideration in my point of view, but feel free to add any other kind of metric that you want if it can help you to have a better understanding of the social media activity. Thank you for watching, I appreciate it, and see you next time. Bye.